games you play. I wanna feel my heart, my pulsating heart.
Now you got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now, 'cause I'll be running out of here. But then sometimes you don't, and it's so damn enticing. You know that keeps me wanting more, but I'd still rather hide it and keep on denying the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of it. Put my walls up. Even if you beg me, I would never be the one.